Cancer cells are caused when cells grow and divide rapidly and out of control. In breast cancer, they are caused by a gene mutation in the BRCA gene. Cancer cells have a tumor suppressor gene that tells them when to stop dividing, but a mutation in the suppressor gene leads to an uncontrollable growth of cells. The mutation in breast cancer cells increases HER2 proteins, causing the cell to grow and divide out of control. Cancer cells are already a part of the body's cells, so the first line of defense does not exist when fighting off cancer cells. The second line of defense is the nonspecific response of natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are lymphocytes that function similar to cytotoxic T cells. They bind to the cancer cell and release chemicals such as perforins that cause the cell to undergo apoptosis or cell death. If this does not occur, the third line of defense is the specific reaction. The cancer cell presents antigens on its MHC1 proteins. Cytotoxic T cells, also called CD8 plus T cells, bind to the MHC1 protein and antigen. They then release chemicals causing the cell to undergo apoptosis. If the T cell cannot identify the cancer cell because it can't detect its MHC1 proteins, then B cells may be used. A B cell with a matching antigen receptor binds to the cancer cell and engulfs it. It then presents the antigen on its MHC2 receptors. A helper T cell binds to this antigen, activating the B cell. Then the B cell proliferates, making memory and effector cells. The effector cells produce antibodies that bind to the cancer cell that could not be detected by the cytotoxic T cell. This helps the T cell identify the cancer cell, and it binds to the cell and releases enzymes that cause it to undergo apoptosis. Cancer is caused when the immune system is overpowered by the number of mutating cells. Cancer is generally regulated by the immune system on a regular basis. However, it is when the balance of immune-regulated cells becomes thrown off that cancer begins to take over.